Hi guys, welcome back to Python with Dano. So in this class we'll discuss about math functions in Python. So in generally math functions are like square root, power of and floor functions, ceil functions. So we have number of functions in math module. So for that, so let me take one example of square root function. So see here, by using help command, uh, so here I am passing math. So here you will get all functions which are mentioned in math module. So here let me take one square root example. Square root of 5. See here I got error. Why? Because here I need to import a math module before, yes, before square root we need to import a math module. See again I got error because, so before square root we need to write a math dot function. We need to type math dot. See here we got the output. So let's take a power of, um, see here, so 3 square in generally we get 9. So 3 square. So in generally we write like that. So in math function we have power function. So by using that power function we can get power of square. Yes, we got square 9. 3 square is 9. So in generally when you are working on software tools, so it may be PyCharm, it may be VS Code. So when you are working on those software tools, better to use function, not directly choose shortcuts. So you will get impressions. Okay, so next, normally in maths, so in schooling, in colleges, what we know, so when we have 2.5 we'll make it as 3. So when we have 2.4 we'll make it as 2, right? In generally we do like that. So but in Python we have floor and we have ceil functions. So when you are applying floor function, when we have 2.9 to 2.9, it may be 2.1, 2.2, 2.5, 2.9, whatever it may be. So it will take as 2 output. So in ceil function when we have 2.1 to 2.9, it will make it as 3. So in Python floor, so let me take one example. So directly I am printing here floor of 3.2. So see you will get 3. So floor of 3.9, let's take 3.9. See again we got the output as 3. So for 3.2, for 3.9 we got the same output. For floor function it will take 3 as output. For ceil function it will take 4 as output. So as we discussed earlier, see here 3.9, yes, we got the output as 4. For floor we got output as 3. For ceiling function we got the output as 4. Just a minute. And next, in math modules we have constant function, like we can get pi value. We can, by using math functions we can get pi value, and we can also get epsilon value or Euler's number. See here we got a pi value, and let's see epsilon value. Yes, we got. These are the constant functions. We have number of function. You can use documentation for more information. And whenever you are like feeling lazy, that time we can use align method. So for that I am importing my math module as m. Here instead of math we use m dot square root of 3. So yes, we got the value. So here m is taking instead of math. Yes. Okay, till here we understand everything. So this is also not good. So that time we can use from math module we import square and power root. So directly we can write power of, no need to mention math or em. Here directly we use power of 2 comma 4. So here yes, we got. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe Python with Danu.